Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Widgetsmith and the icons ready. Open Widgetsmith and create a widget of the size you want. Tap the default widget to enter edit mode, then choose Photo or Custom to import your PNG. Once done, set the widget's time and font if needed for overlays, then save with a descriptive name. Make sure to leave the Widgetsmith app open when switching to the home screen so the new widget appears in the widget picker immediately. You'll now make the tappable icon via shortcuts. Add a new shortcut, pick Open App and choose the app you want to replace. Once done, tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen, and tap the icon to select your custom PNG from Photos. After selecting, name the home screen title exactly or remove the label for a cleaner look. Make sure the shortcut launches the intended app quickly. This step controls the visual icon and the tap behavior on your home screen. Finish by arranging your new shortcut icons next to Widgetsmith widgets so the screen reads like normal apps. Drag apps into the app library to hide originals. Once done, make sure you long press the home screen and lock widgets in place so nothing shifts. If shortcuts open slowly or don't appear, reboot the device, refresh Widgetsmith by opening it, and recreate the shortcut if necessary. A missing permission or corrupted photo file is usually the cause, so re-import the PNG and try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.